Okay, today you're going to learn about rotations. A turn of either 90 degrees, 180, 270, or 360 in the coordinate plane. Okay, there's two types of movements. There's clockwise, okay, which goes like this, and there's counterclockwise, which goes like this. Okay, if you're moving 90 degrees, you're going to move one quadrant. If you're moving 180, you're going to move two quadrants. If you're moving 270, you're going to move three quadrants. Right? And the move is in the direction they ask for and from where the shape starts. Okay? If you move 90 degrees, okay, you're going to switch your numbers in the ordered pair. And then you're going to determine your signs based on the quadrant. Okay. And that's the same for 270. So 90 and 270 are the same. 180, you're going to leave the numbers, but you're going to switch the signs. So if you have positive, positive, they're both going to become negative. If you have one of each, they're going to do the opposite. Okay, let's look at some examples. Okay, this one says 90-degree rotation clockwise. So I want to end up in this quadrant. Okay, my rules say, well, number one, switch numbers. And number two, determine the quadrant to determine signs. Okay, so if I'm in this quadrant, my x is positive and my y is negative. So I switch my numbers, it becomes 4, 1, and my second number has to be a negative. Same here, switch my numbers, 4, 3, 3 is negative, 1, 3, 3 negative, 1, 1, and the second one's negative. Now I go to my graph. Go over 4 down 1 is A. Over 4 down 3 is B. Over 1 down 3 is C. Over 1 down 1 is D. And my shape has turned 90 degrees clockwise. Now 180 says I'm going to switch my signs. So instead of -7, -8, I'm going to have -7, -8, because we want to end up right here. Oops, +7. +4, -8, 3, -2, and 8, -2. If I go over 7, down 8, I get A. Over 4, down 8, I get B. Over 3, down 2, I get C. Over 8, down 2, I get D. And I have a trapezoid. Okay, and it's a rotation around the origin. Let's try 270. 270, remember, is switch numbers, determine signs. If I switch my numbers, I get 1, 4. And if I'm going 270, I'm going to go all the way here. And that's going to be a positive x and a negative y. So I got -4, 6, -2, and 6, 6. Second one's negative. Graph it on my graph. A, B, and C. Okay. I want you to try this one on your own. Pause the video and give students time to work on it. Because I'm in quadrant number 1. I want to go over 8 up 7 for A. Over 3 up 5 for B. Over 3 up 9 for C. Try 180 on your own. Pause the video. And graph it. And I have this triangle. Try 270 on your own.